Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This is the 10th day of the Practice What I Preach. So we made it to the double digits. Awesome. Now we just gotta keep going until we get to triple or four digits. So we'll see how we go. So today was a leg workout or a lower body workout, and I was again focusing on working on explosive movements or power movements. So the first exercise is a kettlebell swing. Initially I started with just the kettlebell to warm up, but then I added the band to make it a little bit harder to do, and it forces me to have a little bit more explosiveness towards the top. This in combination with a bit of glute work for my lower back, and to focus on developing my butt, because my butt is underdeveloped for everything that I do, and so is yours. So get working on those glutes. And today is just to focus more on staying active, getting up, getting active and moving around and all that kind of stuff. So if you notice my training, it's not your traditional kind of bodybuilding or powerlifting kind of split. It's more athletic and it's more kind of explosive and something that you can translate into sport. And that's my kind of philosophy when it comes to exercise and physical training. Again, you do whatever you enjoy, but at the same time, you should be able to achieve pretty much any kind of activity or movement at any time. So it's good to mix up your training. One day, high volume, really work on contracting the muscle, promoting growth. And then on other days, high explosive, low reps, just working on fast activation of your muscle fibers, fast twitch fibers, and working on your different cardio systems. So more your anaerobic cardio system. So it's good to mix up your training. It keeps you from getting bored, and at the same time it makes you a little bit more resilient to anything you're going to do. So after doing these single leg Bulgarian squats, I should be a bit more comfortable jumping, which would translate into sport, and it should help me when I'm sprinting, because it kind of correlates, and it's a very similar motor pattern to sprinting. So yeah, give this a go, see how you feel. Make sure to be safe as you do it, and enjoy the moment when you're doing it. So I hope you guys are having a good one wherever you are. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.